Science and Discovery, Walking Colors Bridge. In the heart of Greenvale, a tiny village with a big heart for learning, the school buzzed with excitement. It was Monday, the day when children dived into fascinating worlds through science and discovery tales. Today, their adventure began on a bridge, not just any bridge, but the Walking Colors Bridge. As the children crossed the old wooden bridge, they noticed something peculiar. It was covered in colorful stains that seemed to be moving upwards. What could this mean? Wondered little Timmy. Mrs. Green, their enthusiastic teacher, smiled mysteriously and said, "Let's find out." Back in their classroom, the children found 3 sets of colorful paper towels and small containers filled with different colors of water: red, blue, and yellow. Mrs. Green explained, "I have a secret to share about this bridge, but first, let's see what happens when we combine these materials." The curious minds dipped each paper towel into one of the colored waters, then carefully placed them on the table, creating a beautiful rainbow of colors. As they observed their creations, something magical happened. The colors started moving upwards. The children were amazed by the moving colors and excitedly discussed their observations. "I think it's like a river flowing upwards," said Sarah. Mrs. Green smiled and said, "Indeed, that's called capillary action, the movement of liquids upwards through narrow spaces without the help of gravity." The next day, the children were ready to apply their new knowledge to the mystery of the Walking Colors Bridge. They gathered around a large model of the bridge and decided to create capillary action to make it walk like the real one. Working together, they carefully placed narrow strips of paper towels along the underside of the model bridge and filled containers at each end with colored water. As they waited, the colors slowly started moving upwards, making the model walk like the real bridge. The children cheered and clapped as the model bridge moved like a real one. They had figured out how the bridge got its name. It seemed to walk with colors. Mrs. Green beamed proudly at her students. "Bravo!" The next morning, the children shared their newfound knowledge with the rest of Greenvale. Word quickly spread about the magical Walking Colors Bridge and its secret, capillary action. Even the villagers were amazed and thanked the children for their hard work. The children decided to celebrate their success with a special day for the whole village. They prepared games, songs, and even a parade to showcase their discovery and love for science. Everyone in Greenvale came together to celebrate and learn more about capillary action. On the day of the celebration, the village square was filled with cheers, laughter, and joy. The children were honored for their hard work, intelligence, and curiosity. They had not only discovered something amazing, but also brought the whole village together in love and learning. The story of the Walking Colors Bridge and capillary action will be remembered forever in Greenvale. The children had not only discovered a scientific phenomenon, but also demonstrated teamwork, creativity, and perseverance. This tale serves as a reminder that curiosity can lead to great discoveries and bring people together.